Hello. Hello everyone, welcome back to my corner. Today we are opening the Crazy Cat Lady box for the month of September. This month I really have no idea. Like I know I always say that every month, but this month I haven't seen anything. I only saw the sneak peek, or the theme, I guess, because I didn't see the sneak peek, but I saw the theme for the month of October and I thought it was this box, but I think it's the month of October, so now I think it's September, so we'll see. If you hear noises, Nico is playing with something. Alice is here, so let's open the box as soon as she lets me. She loves this box, right? Okay, I'm just gonna, can I open it? Thank you. So, the inside of the box, we have the little card. Oh, I think it's this way. Super cute. It says, Lily is a cat mom of 4 kitties. She has an Etsy shop, so make sure you go check that out. I'm gonna keep that close, and let's open this. Oh no, we have a repeat. What? Is this a mistake? So if you saw the video from, I don't remember if it was June, July, I don't remember, but I had a tumbler with some kitties on it, and it seems like we have another one. Yeah, it's the exact same thing. So this keeps your beverage cool. I did try it. It does work. And what does it say? It's not on the card per se, but it says summer surprise toy. I'm not sure I understand. Get one last bit of hot summer fun in for your kitties with one of various assorted summery toys. Okay, that's not it because it says toys. And then on the, hey, don't eat. No, wait. Can I please? Don't eat everything. Oh, kitty. Okay, so I'm sorry. So it says on the bottom, bonus extra item. So it says our surprise gift to you. We threw in a special subscriber favorite. Sorry. Okay, so it says on the bottom. The cats are. They are so curious. She's licking my hand and everything. Wait, can you wait just a second, please? Okay, so I'm gonna try again. Bonus extra item, our surprise gift to you. We threw in a special subscriber favorite item from one of our past boxes for free. We hope you love it. Okay, so that explains why there's a repeat. That's super sweet. If it's really free, I'm really happy about it. So we have another tumbler. I don't remember the price. If I find it, I'm gonna write it down below. So let's see the toys because the cats want it. You have to see Nico is like. Okay, so this is the perfume catnip toy. It's $5. It's handmade and it's like a bottle of perfume with a little feathers. So my cats love feathers. Like exactly. My Nico eats them. I'm not sure it's good for him, but you know, so you want it? Yes, you want it. Okay, wait. Okay. So this is super cute. I don't know if there's catnip. Is there cat? Yes, it's catnip. So of course they are going to love this. This seems to be really handmade, like really, really handmade. I don't know how to explain it, but it says, yeah, handmade perfume bottle toy. Like, I don't know if you see, like, I just took some courses in sewing, and you can see like all the little imperfections. You can see that it's handmade. So I'm not sure. I mean, like I was going to say, I'm not sure it's worth $5 per se, but I do understand that you are paying for the person that is making it, but $5? I don't know. So where is he? Oh, he's okay. So I'm gonna give it to him a little bit later then. The next thing I see is, what is that? What is it? Car coaster? I wonder what it is. If you see that my hair look a little bit shiny, it's because I just came out of the shower, so they are a little bit wet. So it feels like pottery. Let's see what it is, because I don't like the smell. Okay, it says absorbent stoneware fits most cup holders. Place inside your car's cup holder to catch spills and drips. Oh, it's like those things. Okay, I understand. It's those things. It says stoneware. It's those things that, like, you put in your, I don't know how you say that in English, cassonade, like sugar, brown sugar, I think you say in English, and you drop it in water, and then it maintains like the moisture in the brown sugar. I think it's kind of the same idea. So this probably just gets like all the water that could spill from your beverage in your car. So that's what I understand. That smells kind of bad. Oh yeah. So that's pretty neat. That's $9. I don't have a car. When I'm in a car, I don't drink anything. I hate drinking something in the car. I get car sick, so I don't really, like, I'm not sure I'm gonna use that. Maybe for something else, but not for that. Alice! Wait. Okay, I'm gonna remove everything because Alice wants the box. Okay. Is there anything else? Okay. She's giving me attitude, like, okay. Okay. Oh, we have a cute toy. Look, it's a fish. Oh, it's so cute. I'm having a lot of difficulties with my camera today. It's not focusing, so I'm sorry if there's some footage that is kind of weird. It says goldfish premium catnip, made in China. So this is the summer surprise toy. It's $5. So I'm guessing that some people got other kind of toys. I got a fish, maybe someone else got something completely different. I really love the fish. I think it's super cute. Nice. There's like some plasticky thing inside, so that's fun. Nice. Okay. The next thing is cat ears shoulder bag. What is that? shoulder bag. So this is the cat ear shoulder bag. Do they mean just like a handbag, but for that you put on your shoulder? Yeah, I think that's what it is. Okay, so I had never heard a shoulder bag. I have never heard this phrasing for that type of things. I always call it handbag that you put on your shoulder. Like, I don't know. I guess it makes sense. You know? Okay, wait, I'm gonna try to put it here. Okay, so it's a really small kind of bag. It's $25. It says for when you want to add just the right amount of cat lady to your everyday style. Vegan friendly, of course. So it's not leather, it's probably like a fake leathery thing. I'm just gonna show you. I'm gonna try to show you. So, put it like that. Didn't see Nico there. Sorry, baby. So it's really small. I guess you can put it. Yeah, the bag is small, but what I mean is that it's really like short. That's the word I was searching for. Okay, I'm gonna just show you how long it can go. Alice just stole the toy. So let's go back to the bag. I'm trying to make it longer. Nico is eating the paper. Give me. Okay, so this is how long it gets. So it kind of sits. Sorry, I'm in my PJs. So it kind of sits at your hip. So that's great. I like this. It's a super small bag. My wallet doesn't fit in. My cell phone, yes. I could put a smaller wallet maybe. But that's super cute. I really love this. I wish it was bigger, but that's super cute. I really love the color. Again, I'm really like girly and stuff, so I would have loved to have a special color, but gray goes with everything. I understand the concept. I love this. So nice. So $24 for this. And of course, the t-shirt. So it says Cat Lady Couture. Cat Lady Couture. So it's a long shirt. Oh, that's interesting. I kind of feel like they listen to me because they always do like how do you call that? Oh, like they want reviews, so they are asking like, did you like the box? So do you have any ideas of what we could put in and stuff? And I always write like, you could put other types of t-shirts, not just t-shirts, sweatshirts, long shirts, anything, these kind of thing. You could put pants, any kind of clothing I think would be really fun. And I think this time I did say long sleeves. So I always feel like they listen a little bit. I really hope it's long enough. I have long arms. I'm gonna go try it. Okay, so we are back. So the sleeves, super long, they fit perfectly. That's amazing because it's always a difficult thing for me to find. It's perfect, the perfect fit. The color is beautiful. I'm gonna show you the fit. So it's long enough. The color is perfect. The color is okay. Like, again, you always know I don't love things that are close to my neck, but I understand the concept and everything. That's pretty cool. I'm super happy about that. So let's see the t-shirt. Well, the long sleeves. How do you call that shirt? What does it say? Cat Lady Couture. I'm trying to say it in English, but in fact it's a French word, and I don't know why I'm trying to say it in English. So let's try again. Cat Lady Couture. Long sleeve, cat hair, but make it fashion. What? Why? Oh, because that's because the Cat Lady Couture is written like in cat hair, kind of. It says everyone knows cat hair is the ultimate accessory, value $23. So everything is pretty cool. I like the shoulder bag, this. I like the toy, the little fish. I'm not a fan of this one, but the cat seems to love it, so that's something. The tumbler is a really neat surprise, but like, I'm not super thrilled about it. You know what I mean? I understand. I appreciate the gift, but like, it's déjà vu, so I'm just okay. Thank you. And this, I am not going to use this. I don't know what I could do with this. So I don't know what I'm gonna do with this. Tell me in the comments if you would like to have this. This retails for $9. Maybe I could like try to send it to you if you want it. So like, just comment down below if you want it. I'm gonna find a way to reach out to you. And just so we don't forget, there's a little card for next month box. It says Black Cats box. And yes, our annual Black Cats box is one of our most popular boxes every year. And it's our next box. So I can't wait to receive this one. I'm super excited. I love Halloween. So guys, don't forget to comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe. Hit the like button before you go. It really helps my channel when you do it. So I'm gonna wish you a great day. Take care, and we'll see you next time. Bye bye.